guys, and welcome to another edition of knowledge-based training. So today with Adobe Connect we're talking about VoIP. Typically a lot of folks like to use their teleconference lines and hook those up to Connect, but today in case you don't have a phone available to you or just rather would use your headset, we're going to go ahead and explain some of those options. So first things first, when you guys jump into a Connect room, under your audio conference settings, you guys are going to see three options, and your first one is do not include any audio conference with this meeting. So at first, it basically looks like it's saying, hey, don't have any audio with this session, but if you actually look in the parentheses underneath that, you're going to see that it says select this option to create a VoIP only meeting. So once that's selected, we'll be able to go ahead and enable our VoIP inside our room. So couple troubleshooting tips for those folks that are new to this. When you guys are opening and initiating an Adobe Connect room, you just want to make sure that you have all of your hardware plugged in prior to your session starting or prior to you opening it up. Sometimes Connect gets a little finicky and it won't recognize your devices if you guys have actually hooked those up after the fact. If you've already hooked it up after the room has already been started, just simply close out of the room and reopen it, and that should fix that there for you. So to go ahead and initiate your VoIP or turn on your microphone, first off, if you're a participant, you need to make sure that the host has enabled microphone rights for participants. If this is not checked off, your participants are not going to get an option to turn on their headsets. Additionally, once those are turned on, we'll just go ahead and click on this icon to connect my audio. Now, there's a couple other things that might happen when you do this. First off, for example, I'm at a laptop computer. My laptop computer is docked at a docking station, therefore the laptop is closed. And a lot of times Connect might try to defer to the default integrated microphone in your laptop or on your device. And in today's case, I'm wearing a headset and I actually want to use that headset. So to make sure that Connect is actually referencing the correct device, I'm going to come up here to the drop-down menu, click that, and then I'm going to see a select microphone option. Some of you guys might find that your HD audio device is actually the one selected, and maybe that is the reason why you're experiencing poor quality. So again, you just want to make sure that the correct device is selected. So I'll be able to click on here, and that's going to go ahead and make sure that my microphone is connected. And you'll know that it's working because you'll see the icon kind of switch from a star, and you'll see some wavelengths coming out, and it'll also reflect that next to your name inside the attendees list as well. Now, if we come to preferences and we go to microphone, you're also going to have some settings here that you guys can mess around with and play with. So if you want to adjust the acoustic echo, cancellation mode, enhanced audio, you can adjust the quality of the audio as well, so that maybe if you're trying to cater your session's bandwidth to those folks that might not have access to the best internet, they'll be able to do so here. When you guys are using VoIP, if you need to mute anyone, if you need to unmute folks, just like integrated audio, you're going to be able to hover your mouse over folks' name. You'll be able to go ahead and mute and unmute people that way. If you'd like to go ahead and globally mute everyone except for yourself, there's a single speaker mode right up top here. And so when I enable that, it's going to globally mute everyone else. But if I need to, I'll be able to go through and manually unmute folks from that as well. So that's a little bit about VoIP. Hopefully you guys got some good information, and we'll see you on the next video. Thanks, guys.